Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Then let's scroll and tap on the privacy. And as you can see, here in the advanced section, we've got the encryption and credentials. So let's tap, and almost at the very bottom of the screen, we've got the clear credentials option. So let's enter. Just confirm it. And as you can see, this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed the certificates. So basically, that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.